national goals to Jan Andolan. India External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar arrived in Kathmandu today, leading an Indian delegation to the 7th meeting of the 7th Nepal-India Joint Commission. Jaishankar was received by his Nepal counterpart N.P. Soth upon his arrival at Tribhuvan International Airport, among other senior officials of the government, as well as the Indian Embassy in Kathmandu. The minister arrived on a 2-day trip to Kathmandu, leading the Indian delegation to the highest level bilateral mechanism between Nepal and India, entrusted to review the entire status of bilateral ties. He will call on President Ramchandra Paudel and Prime Minister Pushpakamal Dahal and discuss issues of mutual interest. In the Joint Commission meeting, the two foreign ministers will jointly inaugurate 3 cross-border transmission lines spanning Nepal and India.